So what we're going to do is we're going to mount this air pump down below the battery, kind of near where that fat hose goes. So we're going to take out the battery, going to take out the battery support bracket. Then we're going to reach down with a pick tool and we're going to undo the clamp that holds the hose on that goes onto the air pump. You can reach it from above. It's not that fat hose, it's a smaller one, but it comes off of the air pump, and we're going to undo that clamp. After you get the clamp off, pull the hose off the pump and then route it around the other side of those cooler lines and bring the hose over the top of the lines and towards the battery side of the lines. Next, you'll need to locate the electrical connector for the air pump. Then you'll clip the wires, both wires, on the air pump side of the connector, about 4 inches from the connector. Next, you're going to fit the hose clamp onto the hose. Then you're going to push the hose onto the pump. Next, you're going to secure the pump by attaching the two hoses together with a zip tie. That fat hose is the one that goes down to the old air pump, and you've left that installed on the old air pump, and that smaller hose is just going to couple with it, and the pump is so light it secures it quite well. Next, you're going to connect it electrically. You're going to strip about 1/4 inch of insulation off of the blue and the black wires there. Then you're going to use the two yellow butt connectors and crimp them together. Blue is positive, black is negative. And when you make your crimp connection, be sure to use a good tool that has this sort of swedge in it. You got like this part here, that V there, and then you have that peen that's going to push into it, and that's going to give you a good connection that won't just pull apart. Some of these tools just have this sort of semicircle, and they just don't work. I don't like them. So anyways, I prefer this kind. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and put the battery tray back in, and just make sure you have enough clearance next to that valve there so you don't break the piece off of there. So here we have it. Battery's back in, everything's all together. You can see how it tucks away down in there. You can hardly tell it's there. Hope this helps you out. Thanks.